F Japanese bombers protected his carrier USS Lexington during a battle in the Coral Sea. I believe about 100 Longcats built with a fixed wing with a trainer version of the aircraft. They did not see carrier service. This particular airplane, built 1944, had 4 targets. Now is that? Even after the introduction of the F-6 and the Longcats continued to serve as the front line in all of World War II. This airplane was based at Naval Air Station Alameda in San Diego. Again, it did tow targets for the Navy. The airplane then had sort of a fallen life. It went to several different owners. It went to museum. Greg bought the airplane from the museum, the Lone Star Flight Museum, actually in Galveston, Texas. About 15 years ago, restored it, put it back in flight condition, to make it fly for us this afternoon today. There's that 4-point has trace roll from World War II fighter aircraft for today. When he flies an airplane, because all that smoke is back in the cockpit.
Mira, hice una F, pero parece, pero no. Y ahora parece como una P.
When you see it sitting on a ramp, they can like also the airplane. The birds are from Trenton. Guys aboard New Jersey Air Guard in 177 JTAC team on board. And we're going to throw some flies at the fast rope deployment. Helicopter force this afternoon. You went 6 in school.
Look at the helicopter land. Pretty cool, huh? That's the Army men coming out of there. Someone's coming out.
Look, I'll throw the ropes out the doors of the aircraft. The 177 JTAC team will be deployed downward. The ground is secured. Come back through again, throw the ropes back at it, pick up. 177 JTAC team that's on the ground as we speak. The P-25 Panchita has been pulled out of the flight for just a couple.
Transition to the diamond on liftoff and perform the diamond zoner transition on takeoff. As the diamond clears the flight lap, the 2 solo pilots will begin their takeoff maneuvers. In a dynamic display of the thrust produced by these General Electric engines, Commander Weiser will roll Blue Engine 360 degrees immediately after takeoff with the landing gear still extended, while simultaneously Lieutenant Davies in Blue Engine number 6 executes a precise low transition, pulls the nose straight up, and completes the maneuver with a half loop, also known as an Immelman.